One observation before I go to General Bakshi. Her words were, and I'll tell you, इसकी गहरी जांच होनी चाहिए और सब लोग जो शहीद हुए हैं उसके बाद सेपरेटली शी सेज और हमारे सुरक्षा कर्मी भी कुछ घायल हुए हैं. शी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट लोग बिकमिंग शहीद. शी डज नॉट इवन कॉल देम टेररिस्ट. शी ट्राइज टू मेक इट लुक लाइक इनोसेंट सिविलियंस हैव बीन किल्ड. ये टिपिकल वो अरुंधति रॉय वाली नैरेटिव है, गांधीयंस विद गन्स, दैट काइंड ऑफ रबिश. You know, those kind of disgusting comments are being repeated again. लोग नहीं मारे गए, ये टेररिस्ट है भाई. This is an attempt at underplaying the sacrifice of our soldiers. And this is being done by the same party which till now when 79 people were killed in Dantewada, there were celebrations in JNU. इनको रिमाइंड करे उसके बारे में, ये प्रो कन्हैया कुमार ब्रिगेड को रिमाइंड करे तो इनको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. Anyway, so I'd like to get GD Bakshi into the debate, viewers. Very strong sentiments on this. GD Bakshi, you've seen the defense of Kapil Madan. What do you think?
You know, Arnab, every year the Maoists launch their spring counter-offensive. That is when the deciduous vegetation is the thickest and before the leaves fall off and visibility from the helicopters becomes good. They every year launch what is called a spring counter-offensive in which they generally use IEDs to blast and kill civilians, local people, you know, inflict horrific casualties. Thank God this year the BSF, the local police, they preempted them and they have carried out a fabulous, a very successful operation in which 29 Maoists, including 3 top leaders, have been killed. And you can see that the huge cache of arms, AK-47, Kalashnikovs, rifles and a whole lot of other firearms, etc., which have been recovered. They have prevented horrific tragedies and killing which generally happen every spring just before the onset of summer. Now, instead of applauding the security forces, instead of applauding the guys who risk their life and their necks for you, you know, here is the narrative which feeds into the Breaking India forces to stymie security forces operations, put them on the back foot, start inquiries, harry them, harass them, people who are risking life and limb for you. You know, and I think these holier than thou, you know, post-comment explanations do not wash. शहीद कौन हुआ है? शहीद केवल जो मारा गए हैं इस ऑपरेशन में, वो केवल टेररिस्ट मारे गए हैं. हमारे जवान, थैंक गॉड, केवल 3 घायल हुए हैं. So you can't now say ki shaheed when you are trying to imply that means those who died. They are only the terrorists. How can they be called shaheed? My God, which side are you on? For God's sake, let us know.